Hey guys, Jane and Reviews, and today I am reviewing this free sample provided by Juice. So it is a super hair, and I just can't live without this. I love it. So all you need to do is take 4 of these capsules with or without food. I usually drink it with water, and they're pretty easy to swallow. But I just love the benefits. If you see here in the nutritional facts, it has all these vitamins and minerals for your hair. So what happens is I notice that after drinking them, my hair is stronger. It falls off less, even though I have stress having a small child, but my hair is stronger. I can dye it, I can iron it, and it doesn't fall off like as much as it used to. It also, I believe that is just giving nourishment to the follicles, so it's also shiny. My hair is very shiny, and it's growing a lot faster. So I just love this. I think I'm going to continue drink this supplement for as much as I can, and I don't miss a day without it because I just love it. I hope you give it a try. If you're looking for something that works for your hair, for your follicles, to make your hair look nicer, more abundant, longer, you should consider try this. Thank you for watching my video.